It's been more than 50 years since humans last set foot on the moon. But now, NASA's Artemis mission is preparing to take us back, and this time, it's not just about planting a flag. It's about building a future, and making the moon our next home. Why we're going back? The Apollo missions of the 1960s and 70s proved we could get there. But Artemis is different. NASA isn't going just to explore, it's going to stay. The mission aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon as a stepping stone to Mars. Think of the moon as our launch pad to the rest of the solar system. The Artemis program breakdown. Artemis is split into 3 major phases. Artemis I was an uncrewed test flight in 2022, proving the new Orion spacecraft could make the journey. Artemis II, scheduled for 2026, will carry astronauts around the moon. And Artemis III will land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface, marking humanity's true return. Technology behind the mission. Getting to the moon today isn't the same as it was in 1969. NASA's Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket ever built, will carry Orion beyond Earth's orbit. Private companies like SpaceX are also involved, building the lunar landers that will ferry astronauts from orbit to the moon's surface. And for the first time, advanced AI navigation and robotics will assist every step of the way. Why Artemis matters. The moon isn't just a rock in space, it's a gateway to the future. It contains valuable resources like water ice, which can be turned into rocket fuel. It offers a stable platform for deep space telescopes. And learning to live there will prepare us for the much longer journey to Mars. In short, Artemis isn't just about the moon, it's about the next era of human civilization. International and commercial partners. Artemis is not a solo mission. NASA is working with the European Space Agency, Japan, Canada, and many others. Commercial space companies are also building crucial hardware. This global collaboration means that when humans return to the moon, it will be a mission for all of humanity, not just one nation. Challenges ahead. Of course, this journey isn't without risks. Space radiation, extreme temperatures, micrometeorites, and the enormous cost are constant challenges. But if there's one thing space exploration has taught us, it's that humanity thrives on overcoming the impossible. The next giant leap. When Artemis astronauts step onto the lunar surface, it will mark the beginning of a new chapter in human history. We're not just going to the moon. We're going to the stars. And someday soon, future generations might look up at the moon, and see our cities shining there.